What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, BookFit X3. And you know what? I talk about this plant-based lifestyle, and now I'm going to show it. We're going to do Deliciou General Toso Chicken. Get ready for it, because it's about to be off the hook. Now, I do want you to know, they are based out of Melbourne, Australia. So this is coming from Australia, so I need you to what? Be focused, prepped, and ready. So if you want this for, in the next 3 days, it's coming from Australia, people. Let's get into it. Start with a bag of Deliciou. Pour it all in. Now the good thing about this, it has no taste. So you put the seasons that you want. Now for me, I put my seasonings before. And in this concoction, I have garlic salt, some salt and pepper, and major ingredient is we're gonna use water. 1 tablespoon of, they say canola oil, but I'm using vegetable oil. I've done it before, so I can speak to that. And we're gonna go ahead and mash it up. Now, the most important thing about this is to make sure all your dry ingredients are nice and moist, because what we have to do, we have to form this concoction, right? This plant-based chicken mixture into, well, basically form it into the shape that we want, right? This is plant-based chicken, so I'm gonna make this bad boy look like some chicken tenders or some type of nugget. So what I'm doing is mashing it up. Now, the best thing to do to get the most bang for your buck as far as taste is concerned is to let it sit for 20 minutes, y'all. It is so important to let this sit and marinate. All right, it's been 20 minutes. So now let's go ahead and shape this the way we want it to look. I'm taking a regular spoon, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mold it the way I want it to be. Well, for me, I'm doing the nuggets look, right? So while I'm doing this, right, I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil to heat it up. Because what we're gonna do is just simply place the nuggets, right? Plant-based chicken nuggets, okay. Place the nuggets into the oil, hot oil, and let it go. Go ahead, and I'm gonna pour this in. Now let's get back to molding the Deliciou plant-based chicken the way we want it. The last nugget. Nuggets have different shapes. It's all to the good as long as it tastes great. Like I said, season it any way you want to. It's so versatile. Make it fun. Make it so that when you taste it, it gives you the exact taste and flavor of a chicken nugget. That's what we're doing here. So I'm gonna check my oil. So another thing I wanted to say, I put this parchment paper down so the actual Deliciou nuggets doesn't get stuck to my wooden board. All right, so now that my oil is nice and hot, I'm gonna go ahead and drop these. You hear that sizzle? Oh, it's cooking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and fit all these in here, really. Oops, landed on the side, it'll stay there, I guess. Hold on. Let's fix you, boo. Shoot. So I'm gonna let this brown on one side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn over just like you would do chicken. You see, the good thing about this, it's a quicker, first of all, it's a quicker cook time, but the most important thing is, honey, it's plant-based. Vegan, no GMOs, no fillers. It's the world's first shelved plant-based chicken. Hello? And let that sit right there, let it simmer. Let it simmer. So just for you all to see, I just wanna go ahead and check it. Not brown enough for me, kid. So while this is going, I'm gonna go ahead and start making my husband and I's plate. So first, I'm gonna go ahead, I already have it's still cooked. So we're gonna go ahead and microwave this. But this is jasmine white rice. You can use quinoa or brown rice, really up to you. I already have the General sauce, I'm gonna toss it in to lightly coat it. Or majorly coat it. Let's go ahead and check. That's good for me. Let me check another one. That's good too. Let's go ahead and flip it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn each one. Oh, she's dark. Well, goodness gracious, y'all, it's always the one. Work with me. Yup, look at that. I'm glad I decided to see if I would have gauged it on you. There you go. And do you see how quick this cook time is, honey? Talk about a time saver. This is everything, y'all. Let me get into it though. All right. This wouldn't be a video if I didn't say it. Everything with your weight loss journey, your fitness journey is all about what? Portion control. You know what I'm saying? So I'll probably give my husband a cup of rice. I'll have a half a cup of rice. For today, we'll be using steamed fresh vegetables. So these honeys is ready. So let's go ahead and turn this heat off. Let it drain real quick. But what I'm gonna try and do is make sure, hold on. She's looking crispy. She's looking golden, okay? She's looking magnificent. I'm so excited about this right now. Y'all don't understand. Being in the situation that we're in right now, you have to be creative. Oops, sorry, honey. You have to be creative and make your own meals. You have to be fun with it. Try different things. Now these are gonna go ahead. They're gonna drain the oil, not a lot. And then what I'm gonna do something different for y'all, because usually I would just put it in a saran, in a regular freezer bag, right? I want all of the sauce, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna lay some of it down already in this, just a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and start just throwing this in. I usually don't do this, so this would be like a hit or miss. But whatever sauce is, right? That's not gonna be used on this, I'm just gonna put it on the rice. So all I'm doing is tossing it in here. I couldn't find the lid for this, so we're gonna go ahead and just flip it over and over. So here we go, babe. Get this, babe. Get this, babe. Look at that. Oh. Now, yes, I say go ahead and check ingredients, check what sauce you're gonna use. But honestly, I'm making all the moves in portion control. I said what I said. Look at that, let that sizzle. Come on, y'all. Come on, Deliciou, all right. Food is ready. Let's get it. So like I said before, I'm portion controlling. So just got half a cup. Ain't nobody okay. Hubby, we're gonna give him about a cup of rice. Go ahead and put the veggies on the side. I like a variety of veggies. And you know, you can eat as much veggies as you want. I didn't put any seasoning on the veggies because I'm assuming with the General Tso's, who doesn't mess that one up? General Tso's sauce is gonna cover it on down. So I'm gonna put 4 crispy. Now, if you let this sit too long, it will soften up. So if you're gonna go ahead, oh, watch this. Boop, boop. Baby, how many you want? Cause you know I always, is that good to go? He's good with that, thank you. My silent cameraman. And if you want a little extra sauce, drizzle. Ooh, get into this! Deliciou plant-based chicken. I have General Tso's chicken with rice, jasmine rice, and veggies. When it comes to your health, you have to make it work. You have to make it work for you, no excuses. If you don't eat meat, find an alternative. But this video is all about Deliciou and how easy it is, how fast it is. And I mean, is there anything else to say? I mean, get into it. Thank you for joining us. Have a good day. Bye.